Hello mga kabayan, I'm Maria Tresita Tagupa. Ito po ang ating Bloom Residences by SMDC sa Sucat, Parañaque. So, ayan po ang ating site development. Napakalapit po yan sa Skyway. So, ayan, pasok po tayo sa ating showroom. So, ito po, pagpasok po natin ay makikita. Ito po ay 2-bedroom unit upgraded. Pagpasok po natin ay makikita po natin ang ating kitchen. Ayan, our cabinet. Included na po yan. Ayan, sink. Perfect po yan sa mga bagong mag-asawa. Ayan po, ang 1 bedroom natin for your children. At meron po tayong walk-in cabinet. Ayan po. So, the interior design, it's upon to you na po kung paano nyo po i-design yung room nyo. Ayan po. As you can see, makikita po natin yung sunod ay yung living area natin. Then, the next is your sofa. And sa gitna po yung ating bathroom. And our laundry area. Ayan po. So, the lights and shower are included. Ito siya. Included na po yan. So, you can put your washing machine here. And our master bedroom. Ayan po. So, you have your air condition. You can put the long curtain. And, of course, your living area with your television and a couch for you to rest. Thank you.